As the world strives to recover from one of the worst pandemics in the history of humanity, the St. Balikudembe Secondary School, Kisoga Old Students Association, Bakiosa, realigned its strategy to better respond to the changing needs and priorities of its members. The focus now is on 4 overarching strategic objectives. First, the Bakiosa Investment Club. Second, the Bakiosa Welfare Fund. Third, the Bakiosa Business Forum. And fourth, the Bakiosa League.
For almost 2 decades, Bakiosa has been working to foster transformation amongst its members, local communities, and collaborating with the cornerstone of our foundation, St. Balikudembe Secondary School, Kisoga. Today, we are shining the light on the Bakiosa initiatives and the Bakiosa calendar. The Bakiosa Investment Club for inclusive social and economic transformation for Bakiosa members, offering products such as savings, credit for individual members, members' businesses and group members, investments and knowledge feast series for members' continuous learning.
I'm an old boy, and so we can have this discussion whichever way it goes. We can grind through everything. So I would like to ask you to be as open as possible. I don't want to have this as a lecture. I want this to be a discussion. We understand each other. We dissect the scenarios that some of our colleagues could have experienced, and I would like to have solutions or slide that breaks a bit of ice on the few things that I have met. Now, common misunderstandings. I wanted to first hit on these. Most people think agriculture does not pay tax. And isanga abantu nakugamba kati ffe abalimbi obulimi tetusasula musolo, and there are many things in agriculture and manufacturing that do not attract tax ebikozesebwa, the inputs and many waivers along the process. But your ultimate profit pays tax.
The Bakiosa Welfare Fund, a safety net designed to support members during life's most critical moments and milestone celebrations. Whether it's bereavement, medical emergencies, unforeseen personal challenges, or personal successes, the fund ensures no Bakiosa member stands alone.
I was at St. Balikudembe, one of the senior people, so many years back. That is 2001 to 2003. In Uganda, we are for every 100,000 live babies that are born, you find that 189 women are dying. Why are these people dying? When you look at the mothers, you find that most of them are dying because of infections. Before it used to be because of bleeding, but now most mothers actually dying, 50% are dying because of infections, okay? And then followed by bleeding and the other uterine abnormalities.
The drugs which we give, alongside these inhalation ones, the gas, the vapor form drugs, that we make sure that you don't feel pain, you don't move any of your limbs, that is in response to a painful stimulus, and then make sure that you don't remember anything. Yeah, because that memory can be really very notorious. And then also, it should be reversible.
It's about solidarity, compassion, wellness programs, and living out our motto, for one, for all. The Bakiosa Business Forum. Buy Bakiosa, build Bakiosa, connecting members to trade, opportunities, and networks. The Bakiosa League, our new baby aimed at building bonds, celebrating talent, and igniting the Bakiosa spirit across generations. Bakiosa runs an annual calendar, and each year a class cluster spearheads it. This year, it is the Equinox class of 2005. The calendar consists of a series of activities and campaigns in collaboration with the school and communities. Health Camp, bringing wellness and care to the community.
The way she has demonstrated, not so. We brush like this, not so. Yes. You get your toothbrush and and you're like this. Yeah? And you're like this. That's how most of us run. But that's wrong. This one we call the horizontal technique.
Fotta Biagioli. Commemoration Day, the Bakiosa CSR Day. Every April, honouring his legacy through prayers with the less privileged, donations and community service. Family Day. We join the Balikudembe family every year in July to thank the Lord, celebrate success, and also Bakiosa Awards, the best performing students. Careers Day, each September, guiding candidates as they prepare for life beyond school.
We have the talent within us, but then the question is, how far are you going as the Chikoba body? In terms of financing, in terms of advising, in terms of mentoring the talents that we have here, because we have the Ronaldos, we have the Messi.
Bakiosa Day Homecoming. Every October we come back home, and we are happy to be here today taking lead in the Excellence Festival. Bakiosa dinner in November, an afternoon of bonding and brotherhood. Family Day Out, our year end. A joyful celebration we call the last dance. Together, these moments define who we are. Together, we are Bakiosa, and we remain committed to driving positive transformation of our members and in all communities where we are planted. Bakiosa, Slough and Shine.
Lino somero na yate waka, sabatu chikole chipinde buli mwaka.